Hello everyone, welcome to another video of urinary system. So today we are going to look into the characteristics of kidney and the structure of kidney. So if we should look at the characteristics of kidney, so here we have first of all the shape of the kidney. So kidney basically have the shape which is bean like shape. Bean shape. Then if we can look at the second characteristics, so the color of kidney is somehow reddish brown. Reddish brown. Then we have third characteristics which is the weight of kidney. So the weight of kidney is around 120 to 170 gram meter. This is remember 120 to 170 gram meter. If we can look into the length of the kidney, so length of the kidney is basically it is around 5 to 7 centimeter. 5 to 7 centimeter. Then the thickness of kidney is basically we can say 2 to 3 centimeter. 2 to 3 centimeter. This is what this is thickness. Thickness of kidney. ठीक है? Yes. After this thickness we have, so if we can look into the basically the position of the kidney, so I can make here the vertebrates. So first we have the 7 cervical vertebrates. If I can make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are 7 cervical vertebrates. Then we have 12 thoracic vertebrates. Wait a minute, let me change the color. Yeah. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These 12 are known as thoracic. Thoracic. Sorry. Then we have lumbar, which are 5 in number. We have lumbar, which are 5 in number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5 lumbar. Then we have coccyx, which are basically 5 in number, but again when they fuse, they call 1 coccyx. Then we have sacrum. No, first we have sacrum, then we have cocci. Let me write correct it. First we have sacrum, which are also 5, and coccyx, which are also 5. Sacrum and coccyx. ठीक है. So now here if we can look at the position of the kidney, the kidney is located somewhere at here. It will start from the last of thoracic, मतलब it will start from 12 thoracic. ये हमारे पास 12 thoracic. It will start from this 12 thoracic and end at third lumbar. So this is the third lumbar. So the position of kidney is somewhere like this. Like this here kidney is present. So mostly this question is asked about the position of kidney. So you must remember the position of kidney, which is basically from the last of thoracic, means 12 thoracic, to third lumbar. Third lumbar. ठीक है. 12 की thoracic से शुरू होती है and end to third lumbar. Okay. थर्ड नंबर पर एंड करती है. नाउ इफ यू कैन लुक एट द बेसिकली स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ किडनी, तो आई कैन मेक हियर द किडनी, huge kidney I can make over here. Yes. ठीक है. I have drawn this kidney. So first of all, basically kidney is covered by a layer which the covering is known as renal capsule. Kidney is covered by renal capsule. So here if you can make a covering. This kidney is basically covered by renal capsule. Yes, this is renal capsule from which this kidney is covered. Let me write over here. Yeah, let me take this color to write these. This is renal capsule, which is covering of kidney. Now here, basically kidney is basically divide into two sections. Okay, wait, let me after this. Yes, at this covering के बाद here we have we can say some tissues are present which are known as adipose tissues. So these are basically adipose tissues are present. ठीक है, so here if I can name here adipose tissue. Then after this adipose tissue again one layer is present that is known as renal fascia. Renal fascia. As I told you, kidney the retroparietal organ because it is not covered by the we can say by the layer which is known as body cavity, or we can say yes. Okay, so this is the renal fascia. Now here this kidney is divided into two portions. So if I can divide this kidney into two portions, so this is the second portion. ठीक है, so this first portion is known as cortex. This first portion is known as cortex, and second portion this is known as medulla. Medulla. Okay, first portion is known as cortex and second portion is known as medulla. ठीक है, after this basically cortex and medulla, here inside medulla is medulla के अंदर we have some pyramids like these are basically in 12 to 15 pyramids. 12 to 15 pyramids are present. Those are basically renal pyramids. We can name that renal pyramids. Let me change the color and mark it. Yes, here we have pyramids. If I can make here. ठीक है, somehow like this, these pyramids are present. ठीक है, so here we have basically 12 to 16 pyramids are present. Now after these pyramids, these the tubes of pyramids will make one basically in the these tubes make the collection and called as major, we can say yes, major calyx. This is known as major calyx. Let me write here. Major calyx. After this, we have when these combine, they will form one more, we can say circle type. This is known as minor calyx. This is known as minor calyx. Minor calyx. Now these minor calyx will combine and form one structure, which is this is known as renal pelvis. This structure is known as renal pelvic. Renal pelvic. Now inside this renal pelvic, the structure is present which is called uh, This is known as hilus. Hilus. Okay, so from this hilus, the ureter will come out. From here, the ureter will come out. Yes, here you can see. And from this, the ureter will come out. This is the ureter which will come out from the kidney. So now this was the structure of kidney. So now here the nephrons are present. So now we have 1 lakh and nephrons are present 1 lakh in one kidney. So it is around 2 lakhs in both kidneys. So here you can see, yes, the we can see space between these two pyramids. इन दो pyramids के बीच के अंदर जो space है, that is called as basically column of Bartania. Column of Bartani, और which is known as which is the part of cortex. ये भी क्या होती है, cortex का part होती है. अब here you can see the nephrons are present. अभी we have two type of nephrons which we could discuss in the later video, but here I can draw. So here for suppose this is the glomerulus. ठीक है, wait. Yes, this is the glomerulus and this is PCT. This is loop of Henle. This is DCT and this is collecting duct. These nephrons are known as cortical nephrons which are only present in cortex, जो कि सिर्फ cortex के अंदर present हैं. These are known as cortical nephrons. One type of nephrons are present. Those are, for example, this is we can say glomerulus Bowman's capsule. This is PCT and this is loop of Henle. This is DCT and this is collecting duct. So now these are the nephrons whose loop of Henle go to the medulla region, or we can say into the pyramids, that is known as juxtamedullary nephrons. Juxtamedullary nephrons. So this was the structure of kidney and some characteristics of kidney. I hope these are clear. In the next video, we're gonna look into we can say the structure of nephron. Till that, bye bye.